is early in the season, but Taft is already buzzing about their high school football team. The offense averaging more than 42 points a game. And as 23 ABC's Stephen Hicks tells us, a big part of that is due to our Athlete of the Week.
And now, the Carl's Jr. Student Athlete of the Week.
If you make the drive out west, you'll find out pretty quick that the T in Taft stands for tough.
Our offense is smash mouth offense.
For second-year coach George Falgett, smash mouth means running the ball 95% of the time. When you've got the running back he has, why not?
When the lanes open up, man, he sees it, he's gone.
Yeah.
And it's a beautiful thing to watch.
Robert Cozine is that back who bursts through the lanes and this year has burst on the scene.
Last year it was just like, all right, it was just like, oh, that's Robert Cozine.
What's that feeling now?
It feels like special. I feel like a celebrity already.
In just 4 games, Robert's run for almost 1,200 yards and 14 touchdowns.
Holden Williams right there.
And he's ready to thank his O-line for every yard. Even if he struggles with some of their names. The team goal is to get a Valley ring to match their coaches.
From Culver East High School.
Motivation for any player, but Robert gets his from his mother.
Every time I come in the house, she's proud of me, and then I just start tearing up sometimes.
Raised by a single mom, he found a renewed focus in the offseason to make her proud.
I promise you I'll make it better, my best year. And not just football, it's the grades in the class too. Right now I'm sitting at a 3.0.
It's that change seen on and off the field that makes his mom so thankful.
You know, I sacrifice everything. It's not for me, it's for him.
And thanks to his fast start, Taft is hoping to win their first league title since 2010.
Hey, Robert, for some unbelievable stats you've been putting up, you guys have a big one this Friday against Chavez, but for right now, you get this plaque provided by Kern Trophies. You're Carl's Jr. Student Athlete of the Week.
Stephen Hicks, 23 ABC Sports.